How to fix Disney bundle not working for Hulu. Step 1. Verify account details. Ensure that the email address used for Hulu matches the one used for Disney Plus and ESPN Plus. Consistency across accounts can prevent login issues. Step 2. Reset password. Try resetting your Hulu password. If you don't receive a reset email, keep trying periodically as it might eventually come through. Step 3. Contact support. If issues persist, contact Disney or Hulu support. They can help troubleshoot and may need to escalate the issue to a supervisor. Step 4. Use a different email. Consider using a different email address for your Hulu account if the current one is causing issues. This has worked for some users. For more information, visit Hulu's or Disney's official websites. So, this is how to fix Disney bundle not working for Hulu.